Okay, so let's do some practice here. So we're going to write our dissociation equations. We'll identify the major species, minor species, and go from there. So we've got 4 different examples: nitric acid, oxalic acid, hydrofluoric acid, and perchloric acid. So let's get started. All right, our first one, HNO3, nitric acid. Okay, so dissociation equation, we're going to get H plus and nitrate. Okay, now this is one of the strong acids, so we're going to have major species of our hydrogen ion and our nitrate ion, and minor species. Technically, we could have a little bit of the nitric acid, but really it's not applicable because any minor species, any nitric acid that's left would be in such a minor amount, it would be not appreciable at all. So, because it basically essentially just dissociates completely. Okay, so that's our nitric acid. All right, let's do our oxalic acid. Okay, so that'll dissociate into 2 hydrogen ions plus the oxalate anion. Okay, so this is a weak acid because it is not one of the 7 strong acids you had to memorize. So our major species will be intact oxalic acid, and our minor species will be the hydrogen ions and the oxalate anions. Okay. All right, our next one is hydrofluoric acid. So that'll split into H plus and fluoride. Okay, this is also a weak acid because it's not on your list of strong acids to memorize. So our major species will be our intact hydrofluoric acid, and our minor species will be the hydrogen ion and the fluoride ion. All right. Last one, perchloric acid. Again, we'll get our hydrogen ion, and this time it's our perchlorate anion. Okay. This is a strong acid. It's on your list of strong acids to memorize. So our major species will be the H plus and the perchlorate. There we go. And our minor, again, any intact that's left over would be so little, so we're just going to put Na for not applicable. So those are our strong and weak acids.